So in putting your bumper nose back on, what you're going to need to do is remove each one of the gripper pins in all 3 grippers and pull them back like this. That will let you, once you've screwed your screw up in, it'll let you spin. Once you spin it around, you're going to find that there's a hole right there. What you're going to do is insert. Yep. Insert into the hole. Tighten that down until you're all the way tight. Pull that out. Now this will still spin, so you can line your grippers back up. So there's where the hole isn't. Now it is. And now you can put your grippers back down in and reassemble.
And you only do the bottom pin.
Right.